Hello guys, welcome to TurboTech. So today we'll be unboxing the latest Rapoo GK500. So this is the Rapoo GK500. I'm looking it for the first time, just as you guys. So I'm pretty excited. Oh, this feels like a really good keyboard. Like, look at this. Look at this. Hear the typing sounds. So satisfying. Like, this here is a very great budget keyboard, I would say. For like a gaming keyboard, you can't get this low right now. So the best way to, I think, check a keyboard is to probably test it. So come on, let's test it, guys. As you can see, guys, we have connected the keyboard. Right now, for the first impression, this keyboard just slaps the mark. Like, look at this gaming keyboard. Rapoo just hit another mark. This keyboard is just beautiful. And to tell you guys, you can just change the color of this whole keyboard. You can customize it for yourself. Plus it has an anti-ghosting feature. Till date I didn't know what was anti-ghosting, but right now I just researched and found out that anti-ghosting is something when you hit like a 2-3 keys all together, so every key registers. This keyboard has that feature, so it's very fun and is very good because in a lot of games when you are playing you need a lot of keys. Let's type something. It's very difficult to type right now, sorry, but yeah, holding a mobile in one hand and holding the keyboard in another is a different thing now. Let's try it. I've been randomly writing some gibberish, as you can see, but yeah, this keyboard feels very premium. This keyboard has that clickety clackety feel. So yeah, this ends our review. Hope you like the keyboard because I'm really gonna use it for my next, I think, gaming sessions. This will be my go-to keyboard. This is just beautiful. This keyboard with this low budget, I don't know where do you get it. Just come around in the Turbo Enterprise. If you are in Kokrajhar, we deliver stuff. We have our own website, turboenterprise.shop. Go get it there. And if not, just come around the shop, hang out with me. I'll be always there for you guys. Chalo, thank you. Bye bye.